Hey tea lovers! Menopausal symptoms can be a huge burden, and using a natural remedy is a great way to help relieve them. Let's talk about Organic Menopause Relief Tea today and the 5 ingredients that make it work. Organic black cohosh is a plant native to North America, which has been traditionally used for medicinal purposes, particularly for menopausal symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, and mood changes. Organic vitex berries come from vitex, also known as the chaste tree, which is a small tree or shrub native to the Mediterranean and Central Asia. The fruit and seeds have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. It is commonly used to help regulate menstrual cycles and relieve menopausal symptoms such as mood swings and headaches, and is also used as a natural remedy for infertility. Organic licorice root gives this tea its sweet flavor and provides several benefits for menopausal symptoms, including reducing the frequency and intensity of hot flashes and improving mood and sleep quality. This is due to licorice root's natural estrogenic and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help regulate hormone levels and reduce inflammation in the body. Organic sage is a fragrant herb that can help to reduce the frequency and intensity of hot flashes, improve sleep quality, and enhance cognitive function and mood. These benefits come from sage's natural compounds, including phytoestrogens and antioxidants, which can help regulate hormone levels and reduce inflammation. Organic red clover is a plant species with pink to red flowers that belongs to the legume family. It is native to Europe, Asia, and Africa. The flower heads of red clover contain natural compounds known as isoflavones, which are similar in structure to estrogen and have been traditionally used to help alleviate symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes and night sweats. Organic Menopause Relief Tea is best drank 1 to 2 times per day, hot or iced, to get the best results. Consistency is key with wellness blends like this one. However, if you'd like to spice up your tea game, this is a fun tea latte to try with Organic Menopause Relief. For this recipe, you're going to start by steeping 1 to 2 teaspoons of Organic Menopause Relief in 8 to 10 ounces of nearly boiling water for approximately 5 minutes. While this is steeping, you can add half a teaspoon of cardamom and some honey to taste to 6 to 8 ounces of steamed milk and froth until well combined. Add the steamed milk on top of your steeped tea and enjoy this delicious latte. Thank you so much for joining us for this week's Tea of the Week. All the links will be in the description below, and I hope you can recommend this tea for someone who it could help or use it yourself. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Bye-bye!